Power BI was initially codenamed as Project Crescent and started in July 2011 with SQL Server. In September 2013, it was named Power BI and was part of Office 365. The advantages of Power BI are as follows. 1. AI in Power BI helps non-data scientists with activities like image recognition, text analysis, building machine learning models. You can connect to Azure Machine Learning to analyze data and gain useful information. 2. Facilitates analyzing and sharing big data. Power BI uses Azure to analyze big data and share data in real time. 3. Works with multiple sources of data. Power BI supports multiple sources of data such as Excel, cloud applications, and databases. 4. Custom dashboards and reports. Power BI enables you to create dashboards and reports that fit your business requirements. 5. Access anywhere. Power BI is accessible anywhere, wherever you might be. This is beneficial for remote teams, as they can access data and work together no matter where they are. 6. Real-time information. Power BI keeps its dashboards up to date instantly, so you always have the most recent data. 7. Power BI is great with Excel. It allows businesses who use Excel to make reports easily connect their data. Then, they can create interactive visualizations. 8. Regular updates. Microsoft continually updates Power BI with new functionality and improvements. 9. Simple to use design. Power BI is user-friendly in nature, with interactive features and drag-and-drop capabilities that allow one to easily navigate data and draw insights without necessarily being a tech whiz. 10. Tailoring security features. Power BI enables you to define security filters so that users view just data that is relevant to them. 11. Budget-friendly and cost-effective. Power BI offers a budget-friendly solution, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. 12. No technical expertise required. Power BI is easy to use without technical staff. You can build reports and dashboards by means of easy dragging and dropping of data. 13. Use anywhere, anytime. You can use Power BI anywhere. Whether you are at home, away, or in a meeting, it is available on Windows, iOS, or Android devices. 14. Works well with other Microsoft software. Power BI works well with Microsoft software like Excel, SharePoint, and Teams. 15. Power BI enhances teamwork by enabling simple sharing of dashboards and reports among teams. 16. Time-saving templates. Power BI also comes with pre-designed templates for different industries and business functions. 17. Scalability. Power BI grows with your business. Power BI adjusts to your requirements, whether you are a small business or a big company. 18. Data-driven insights. Power BI enables you to discover important insights in your data using intuitive tools and interactive charts, resulting in smarter decisions and business success. 19. Optimal performance. Power BI ensures reports load promptly and effectively even with big data. 20. Version control. Power BI enables you to monitor changes within your reports and datasets. You can revert to an older version and collaborate with your team nicely on report projects. Conclusion. Power BI is a strong tool. It is easy to see and comprehend data. It contains features such as Power Query and Power Pivot. It can connect to various data sources and provides real-time data. Power BI provides an easy and cost-effective means for companies to make data-driven decisions.